we greet una, welcome na specially to this our channel. Una know say na latest updated updates na we dey carry come for una for this channel. So abeg, if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now go subscribe and make una turn on the notification bell so that anytime like say we drop updates, una go dey notified. Abeg, make una follow us on our Facebook page and make una help us dey share our videos so that others sef go see am. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we enter the tori wey we carry come for una. Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State don comot 2 days from the normal 5 days wey school dey open for his state o. My people, na due to the fuel subsidy gbege and hardship of some people wey no fit meet up for both transportation and daily living, na im Governor Godwin Obaseki come look into the matter, come reason am, na im come conclude say im don comot 2 days from the normal 5 days wey school dey open for inside the state o. No be only that one o. He still increase the number of hours wey dem go dey spend for school. Say if na 2 o'clock pikin dey go school take close before, say close before 2, now the new time na go come be like 5 o'clock, come add extra 3 hours during the normal time when dem take dey close for school. Now my people, make we look into the matter wella. Pikin wey enter school 7:30 a.m. go come comot for school for 5 p.m. abi na the teacher wey teach for 7:30 a.m. for morning go reach 5 p.m. for evening. This body no be firewood o, and the brain sef no be machine. If una ask me, I go say this one no make sense at all. As a current governor wey im be, say im concern, im care for im people based on the hardship so wey first subsidy gbege don bring come so like this, say im really care, im suppose add money join these teachers dem salary, and also find ways to take empower people wey be say dem no dey fit meet up for their normal daily living, and also think about how to provide free transportation for im citizens dem. Free transportation if na for the children wey dey go school, to provide free transportation for them. No be to dey reduce the days of the normal 5 days wey school say dey open. If una even check am sef, that 5 days reach children of nowadays wey we dey see so, 5 days no even reach dem to learn. Talk less of say dem come comot 2 days come make am 3 days. Even though say e add all the hours say na from morning till night sef, e no still reach. This one get as e be o. How person go work for morning use touch take come back for night? In the name of say na teaching na im dey teach. Anyway my people, this one e get as e be o. How una see am? How una see this whole matter? Because this one no be care or love o. Because we grow say na 5 days we take dey go school in a week, then use weekend wey be Saturday and Sunday take rest for house. Now weekend come be 4 days. They go school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. From Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday pikin go dey house. Use 4 days stay house, use 3 days go school. My people, this one get as e dey o. How una see am na reason am? Make una drop una comment for the comment section, and make una share this video so that e go reach Governor Godwin Obaseki hand. Make e know say this decision wey im make so for this school opening so e no enter. Make e still look into the matter well, make e arrange am again the way wey be say e go suit everybody. Anyway, for the update we carry come for now like this videos, make una drop una comment and make una no forget to like and share o. Make una share am. Una do well. See you all in our next video.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, friend.